Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear friends, this is Nasibullah Sami once again. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about how to delete a record from database and also clear this form as well. Before starting to the code, we will just make a place for the buttons in order to make a proper place for all the buttons that we have. So now I'm copying this button and pasting it over here. Just changing the background image for this. So this is going to be delete button. So when the user clicks on this button, it should first require the ID, and after that it should perform the action, the delete operation. And also it should ask from the user that if the user is sure for deleting this record or not. If the user is sure for deleting the record, then perform the delete operation by clicking yes, or if the user is not sure, then click on the no or in order to cancel the deletion operation. So clicking on the delete button, firstly we will go to make just a condition that txt if txt id dot text is equal to empty, we will display a message in order to give notification to the user in order to enter ID in order to delete a record. Enter ID to continue. Else, if there is an ID, then perform this operation. We will create the object of my queries class obj dot general queries function. Here we will pass our delete query, delete from table name. We will copy the table name that we have in our previous videos. Delete from registration table where r underscore id is equal to txt_id.text. Delete the record from database in which the ID is equal to the ID which is given in this text box. Delete from registration underscore table where r underscore id is equal to this ID. Okay, this is our query. So now I'm going to restrict the user if it should ask a confirmation from the user if the user is sure about deleting this record or not. If the user is sure on deleting this record, then the system should delete the record for the user. If the user is not sure for deleting the exact record and want to cancel it, then there will be an option for pressing no in order to cancel the deletion of the record. So we have to make another condition, message box dot show this, which represents the instance of the same class with us. Now here are you sure you want to delete this record? Are you sure you want to delete this record? And after this we will just make an alert for the person who is actually doing this operation. And after this we have message box dot buttons dot yes or no button, and after this we have message box dot icons message box dot icons dot information, and after this we will say that dialog, which is equal to dialog result dot yes. If the user's answer is equal to yes, then do this operation for us. We will cut this bracket and put it over here. And we will make an else part for this, like displaying the message box dot show operation cancelled. Else, when the operation is done, message box dot show record deleted successfully. So this is it. When the user clicks on this button, the delete button, it will check for this text box if there is an ID or not. If there is an ID, if there is no ID, then this message will be displayed. If the user enters an ID, then else part will be executed. And firstly, entering to this block, it will ask the user that are you sure you want to delete this record which is related to this ID. So if the user clicks the yes button, if the dialog in the dialog box, if the user clicks yes, this block will be executed, the object of the myQuery class will be created, and the function with the name of general queries will be called, and this query will be executed, and after that the message will be displayed that record is deleted successfully. And if the user clicks no, and then this message will be displayed to the user that the operation is cancelled, or operation cancelled. So we will check this. Firstly, I am pressing on delete button, enter ID to continue. So I am giving a valid ID to it. For example, I am giving 2 and pressing the delete button. This is the dialog box, and the dialog box dot yes, like we had a code here. I will show you guys. With this code, this yes and no button for this dialog box is appeared, and this icon information which the user performs an action here. If the dialog result of this dialog is equal to yes, then execute this function, this block of code with us. So now I'm clicking on the no, operation cancelled. So we will check for the database. No record is being deleted. Number 2, we are going to delete the number 2 record. This time I'm clicking yes. Alert, are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes, I'm sure. Record deleted successfully. Now we will refresh our database. The second record is being deleted. So now we will copy this button and paste it over here. For like, it's pretty simple task. When the user clicks on this button, all data in text boxes should be clear. That is like txt id.text is equal to empty, like it's only string. Txt name.text is equal to empty. Txt if name.text is equal to empty. txt nic.text is equal to empty, txt age.text is equal to empty. We don't have any other values, so I'm going to continue it now. Like I'm searching for the first record. There is the record. Now I'm going to clear this. All the data is being deleted. So guys, this was tutorial about how to delete a record from our database, and as well as clear a form like text boxes, clear data from text boxes. Hope you would like it. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, do not forget to subscribe our channel, like, comment and share this channel with your friends, and thank you once again for all the supportings. Have a good day. Thank you once again.